How to draw Nezuko. If you draw a head, can you draw it from the facial features? The answer is yes. It works. It used to start with the head shape. In this issue, try to start with the facial features. Change the avatar of the character. By the way, basic support for drawing characters, avatars, and facial features. 3 quarts and 5 performances. So let's start with this, the cross of the facial features. I believe everyone should be able to do it. Under the cross line, let's start with a cloud that represents the size of the eye. Then draw 4 equal circles left and right. This is the distance between the 5 eyes. Of course, generally only 3 eye distances are drawn, which is about the same. And then the middle line. The distance to the end of the eye position is equal to the distance to the nose. It's actually a square. An equal distance further down is the chin. The same distance up is the hairline. This is the basic position of the 3 quarts and 5 eyes. Then got the 3 quarts and 5 eyes later. Fill in the frame of the 3 quarts and 5 eyes with eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrow. Draw a face. Hairline, hair, and other structures are enough. This video mainly explains what 3 days and 5 nights are. Others don't pull trees. If the video is useful to you, remember to like the collection. Practice repeatedly. See you next time. Bye.